Today's topic for video number 12 is some important name reactions of alcohol, phenol and ether. So we have number of name reactions which are very important for your exam purpose, but we will start from the first one, that a Dow process. First method is Dow process. So in Dow process, a reactant which is a chlorobenzene, this is chlorobenzene. When it is treated with concentrate alkali means NaOH at a high temperature like 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure. These are the reaction conditions that you have to remember in your mind. These are the important for your name reaction. So due to that, first of all, intermediate compound which is formed, which is sodium phenoxide. So I will write the name of compound sodium phenoxide. In a sodium phenoxide, oxygen acquire partial negative charge, sodium atom acquire partial positive charge. When this sodium phenoxide is treated with concentrate acid like HCl, so here from NaCl is eliminated as a byproduct. So we get our desired product in form of phenol. This well-known method for the formation of phenol is called as a Dow process, in which generally we will start with haloarine as a starting raw material. This method is least important for industrial purpose of manufacturing because it having a several byproduct in form of diphenyl ether. So I will write one important point over here. A drawback of this method. Diphenyl ether, the structure is like this. Diphenyl ether is produced as a byproduct. So this is the drawback of earlier mentioned method. Now we are discuss about a second well-known method which is called as a Cumming method. It is very important. It is a Cumming method. So in your textbook, Cumming method is given from the half portion, but we will start from the very beginning. In Cumming method, our starting raw material is a benzene. So I will start from benzene. So benzene is when treated with propene. Formula of propene is CH3 CH double bond Cl2. It is propene. When it is heated in presence of concentrate phosphoric acid. So what is the role of phosphoric acid? So we know that benzene having one of the hydrogen over here, and that hydrogen is donated to carbon. Means CH2 group is converted to CH3. Due to that there is cleavage of pi bond, and here a center carbon which generate a positive charge over here. So we will have a substituent or a compound like this. CH is connect with CH3 is connect with CH3. This compound is called as a Cumming. But most important part, what is the IUPAC name of Cumming? So IUPAC name is isopropyl benzene, which is called as a Cumming. Now this Cumming, or we can say that isopropyl benzene, is treated with O2 in presence of 5% Na2CO3 solution. So O2 oxygen is in form of dimolecular compound. So this O2 is inserted between this carbon and hydrogen to form a peroxide compound like CH3 as it is, CH3 as it is. Now two oxygen molecules are inserted like this between carbon and hydrogen over here. Benzene ring as it is. This is cumene peroxide. So I will write it is cumene peroxide. This cumene peroxide is treated with a strong acid like sulfuric acid to form, I will write strong acid means concentrate H2SO4. So in presence of strong concentrate acid, it should be cleared into our product phenol and a byproduct which is acetone. So here byproduct is also most important because it is good organic solvent. So this method, I will mention the point over here. This method gives maximum yield in the sense of product. So that's why suppose question should be asked in examination that write not on a method of preparation of phenol which give maximum yield. So you have to follow a cumene method or cumene reaction. So here we will discuss about mainly 2 points. A third method which is from a diazonium salt. So we have a third method which is diazonium salt. So I will write this is diazonium salt. Now first thing that you have to remember that how can you manufacture diazonium salt. So it is prepared from aniline which is primary aromatic amine. So this is benzene having NH2 which is called as a aniline which is primary aromatic amine. This primary aromatic amine aniline is react with HNO2. This is called as a nitrous acid. Nitrous acid in presence of 273 278 Kelvin temperature. So at this temperature, at very low temperature, there is formation of N2 plus Cl minus which is called as a benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene, this is diazonium, Cl means chloride. This intermediate is stable at only low temperature. So I will mention condition over here, stable at low temperature. Now when this diazonium chloride is treated with water, water means H plus OH minus ion. So H plus and OH minus ion. So here due to increase in temperature N2 is removed in form of gas. H and Cl is removed in form of HCl. So remaining part benzene having this is phenol. So diazonium salt is also more important for the preparation of phenol. Next one is about very well known name reaction is a Kolbe reaction, or we can say that it is Kolbe-Schmitt reaction. So earlier we will discuss that Kolbe reaction will give salicylic acid. So I will start number 4. Kolbe's reaction. Generally you can say that it is a Kolbe-Schmitt reaction also, because two scientists work together for this salicylaldehyde. So Kolbe-Schmitt reaction, which is start from phenol. So I will draw the structure of phenol and start. This is phenol. When phenol is treated with concentrate NaOH, here we know that water molecule is removed and formation of sodium phenoxide. So here we get sodium phenoxide as a intermediate. Now the sodium phenoxide molecule is react with CO2 gas. So in this reaction scheme you have to pass CO2 gas, which is acidic in nature. So carbon and two oxygen molecules are inserted between oxygen and sodium. So when these molecules are inserted between sodium and oxygen, it will form a compound like O, C double O. Look at the CO2. I will represent in such manner. COO means CO2. It is followed by Na. This is highly unstable compound which is formed during reaction scheme. This unstable compound is called as a phenoxysodium formate. Phenoxysodium formate. General in textbook the name is not given, but you have to remember, and if you get more than 45 mark, then this small matter will matters. When it is react with rearrangement, for rearrangement generally we require anhydrous AlCl3. So in rearrangement, this oxygen containing group, which is shift toward ortho position. So we have a compound like OH, ortho position substituted by COO Na. This is called as a sodium salicylate. So it is sodium salicylate. This sodium salicylate compound is when acidified in a present of mild acid. Mild acid means you require a less concentrated H molecule. So here instead of Na I will require H plus. So I get H plus from either HCl or HNO3, but generally people or industrialists prefer HCl. So when it is treated with HCl, in HCl there are two fragments H plus Cl minus. Here COO minus, Na having plus charge. Now here Cl, here Na, remove in form of minus NaCl. So you have product here hydrogen easily substitute over here. So we get product OH, ortho position substitute by COOH. This is my main functional group number 1, number 2. So I have IUPAC name 2 hydroxy benzoic acid, or you can say that 2 hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid, or very well known it is called as a salicylic acid. This is called as a salicylic acid due to presence of COOH group. So it is salicylic acid. This compound is more useful in manufacturing of drug like aspirin. So I will mention over here use in preparation of aspirin drug. So this is the main important point. So here you have to remember the structure of aspirin. IUPAC name of aspirin is a ortho acidyloxybenzoic acid. So here instead of hydrogen you have to put COCH3 group, which will give structure of aspirin, which is powerful drug. Now we will discuss about important name reaction, which is called as a Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So I will mention over here, it is our reaction number 5. It is Riemann-Tiemann. In a Riemann-Tiemann reaction, we get, instead of salicylic acid, here we get aldehyde, means salicylaldehyde. So preparation method is start from phenol. So when phenol is treated with a chloroform and NaOH mixture, it will give intermediate compound like CHCl2. This is intermediate. When it is treated with concentrate alkali NaOH, actually we require 2 mole NaOH over here because 2 chlorine molecules are present over here, so it will require 2 sodium molecule to eliminate from the reaction. So we get ONa CHO. This is called as a sodium salicylaldehyde. So in earlier case we get acid over here, here we get aldehyde. So in a last step only we require substitution of H plus instead of Na. So I will add mineral acid which having H plus ion, so it form OH, substitute with CHO. This is called as a salicylaldehyde. The IUPAC name of salicylaldehyde is this is number 1, this is number 2, 2-hydroxy benzene carbaldehyde or benzaldehyde. So I will write 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. This is the IUPAC name of salicylaldehyde. So this compound having more importance. So today we will discuss about only certain name reaction which are present in alcohol, phenol and ether. Now we will discuss about some assignment questions. Here we have assignment number 12 on the base of some fundamental topic as well as topics which were discussed earlier. So first one, that complete the following reaction in which 3 reaction schemes which are given. So you have to carefully read the reagent which are mentioned on its arrow, means it is called as a reaction condition. You have to get some idea about where some reaction should be takes place. Now second question is give only reaction scheme for Dow process. So in this method you have to follow a systematic reaction scheme with proper temperature zone and with proper reaction condition. Third one, which is most frequently asked in examination question, that short note on Cumin process. A question should be asked in such manner that write a note on a method of preparation of phenol by which you get a maximum yield. So here you have to remember that you have to follow a Cumin process which is mentioned earlier. So you have to write these questions in your assignment notebook.